then all the other stupid things. So this is what is going on. He feels like he's stuck in the mud, and there's so much weight on him, that he's not being able to, you know, really deal with the situation. And because he's still in a 9 to 5, or still in a working you know, a mode, he also finds very less time to focus on any removals, you know, that he wants to do with his family and his friends, you know. So he's going through all that, and he is also carrying a lot of sadness, you know, for the time lost. Now divine feminines keep talking about when is the time going to come, when is the time going to come. And on the other end, there is a mirror reflection. The masculine is also thinking about time, but in a different way. He's thinking about the time lost in the past, the time that he's lost with you. He now realizes that he should not have gone for those karmic partners, and everything that happened, all the dating, all the clubbing that happened, and random people, and also the specific karmic partners who he gave commitment to, you know, that he feels he lost all that time. He feels that if he had known all this about that you are his twin flame, you are the one, and you are the one who is going to be his future wife, he would not have gone on that pathway, and he's feeling guilty and beating himself up for that. But he doesn't know that that was supposed to happen that way. Anything, my folks, that happens or that has already happened, believe me, it was supposed to happen that way. If you want to take my word for it, it was supposed to happen that way. That is why it happened that way. And the masculine is carrying heavy guilt right now, because I feel you are also mirroring that, and you are asking yourself and asking him telepathically that why did you do all this, why didn't you come to me directly? We could have had a solid, strong love affair by now, and we could be ready for marriage, and here we are. We have wasted all this time. We know we are for each other, but if we have not spent time on dating and not spent time on knowing each other, it is just like union is just going to be like an arranged marriage now, where you start knowing the person after union, you know. And you are also angry, and he is also mirroring that in the form that time has been lost. And he, instead of making a new beginning now and forgetting everything what has been lost, he is beating himself up. Oh, you know, all this time has been lost. Why was I so bad? Why was I so stupid? You know, this is what he is going through. Why was I so stupid? How could I be so stupid when I'm so intelligent? You know, this is what he's going through. And a lot of sadness is also there, disappointment. But because, like I said again, he's in an active lifestyle with his job and everything, he gets distracted, and he doesn't feel the sadness as much as the feminine feels, because the professions of feminines have crashed, because they were supposed to do mission work before, including their twin in the mission work. So for the masculine, it's a little bit more juicier still, because he has an active lifestyle. But on the other hand, if you see the con of it, you know, he has to deal with the job also, and then when he comes home, he has to deal with the twin flame journey and the signs and synchronicities and the dreams which are being blasted into his head by the universe. So indirectly, if you see it, or if you look at it, you know, if you look at the masculine feminine balance, the feminine is going through something you know, she has lost her job and stuff like that, or she has resigned, and there are issues related to manifesting money also. But she has a full-time job of the twin flame journey. She can focus full-time on the twin flame journey, whereas the masculine, who is still maintaining an active lifestyle of profession and everything, he is losing time on that job also. And because he's losing time, he cannot focus totally on the twin flame journey, you know. But those paradigms are going to die soon, and he's going to think about self-employment, or he's going to think about working in a different company or different organization which is more suitable for employees, which is more suitable, more soft skills are there in that company, and more training in soft skills is there, you know, personality trainings, if you might know about this, soft skills, SOFT. You know, so he is also coming into those kind of energies which are more spiritual, and he is also aligning with his path, because let's wind this up. You know, he's dealing with his mother, father, trying to remove the patterns in them, or trying to let go and still be with you as a marriage partner. Then he's trying to let go of friends, or he already has. Then he's trying to let go of his structured professional thing which is not suiting him anymore. And also then there's a balance which I spoke about, the feminine masculine, where the feminine has a full day to devote to the twin flame journey and the masculine does not. Now this can overlap. Some of the feminines are still in their professions, which is a very good thing. Some of the masculines have resigned from their jobs. But the point here is that the comparison should not be there, but you have to check the mirror reflections. If they are feeling a certain way, you are reflecting it to them, and if you are feeling a certain way, they are reflecting it to you. On the whole, the masculine is feeling very frustrated and very beating up energies are there. So in few days, I would say in 15 days, they would get out of these energies, because energies only play out because they have to be released. So what is playing out right now in the masculine will find a release, because he is going to release his parents, he is going to release his long-time friends, and he is going to embark on a new beginning or a new journey which suits him more, because he is now getting prepared for union. Union is there at the back of his mind. He's also saving a lot these days. He's managing his resources well. He's saving money. He wants to give you all kinds of necessary objects when the marriage takes place. He wants to give you a nice home, nice furniture, all those kind of materialistic things. He wants to give you nice cookware so that he has money. You can buy it. You can go to Bath and Body Works, or you can go to any such departmental stores and you can buy what you want. It's not like when you ask him that I want to buy this, then he's looking at his wallet that whether he has money or not. No, he's making list of all those more 3D things. Like you are dealing with more 5D things, he's making lists of more 3D things, and he's trying to manifest those 3D things, in whichever capacity he can. Someone can buy a $28 frying pan, which is good for them, and somebody wants to buy a $68 frying pan, and then there's some people who want to buy a $250 frying pan. So it depends on what category he places himself in, or what he wants to do for you. Everything is good. $2 are also good, and $200 are also good. It all depends on where you place your value. So he's doing all this, and it is a very beautiful thing. He's also coming out from his healings and processings to come to the same conclusion of union as you are. It's only that the pathways are different. The pathways are different for both of you, but they are all coming together like this. The pathway is going to get joined finally, and as you hear these channelings in the future over and over again, you will see how the paths merge together, and how the alignment comes into process. Mark my words on this, and with that I take a leave from you. Thank you very much.